everyone, this is Yuyu. So today I want to share with you guys my very simple travel makeup look. It gives me a lot of convenience because I don't need to bring a lot of products for this look. So let's get started. My skin gets very dry when I travel, so I always want to start out with a facial spray to add in more moisture. Next is sunscreen, and I particularly like the Kiehl sunscreen a lot for traveling because it's not sticky, it's very moisturizing, and it has a very high SPF. But by the way guys, you guys should always be putting on sunscreen every day. For foundation, I really love the Givenchy Beauty Balm. This is actually my second bottle. And this foundation has an SPF 15. So if you're really lazy, I think you can skip the sunscreen step if you're at somewhere that doesn't have a lot of sun. I personally like to use a beauty blender to blend it out instead of a brush. And for this product, you really don't need to use a lot of it. After blending this thoroughly, it's gonna give me this light to medium coverage, a natural glow, and for me at least, this stays all day long. So for this product, I use it to lightly conceal my dark circles, but mostly I use this product to highlight the under areas of my eyes, my T-zone, and my chin area. And for this product, you really want to make sure to press it in with the Beauty Blender. For blushes, I personally like to swipe horizontally across my face, and this is because I tend to have a longer and more narrow face. So you guys can definitely tailor and change up the way you use your blush based on your face shape. I naturally already have very thick brows, so for the brow part, I just use a brow gel to lightly define and better shape my brows. I don't really like bringing a lot of brushes when I travel, so although I apply my eyeshadow with a brush at home, just for convenience sake for traveling, I'm just going to use my fingers, which I don't think is that bad since I'm using a neutral color, one neutral color on my lids. For eyeliner, I just like to draw a line just a little bit extending outwards of my lash line. And also don't forget to fill your lash line. Tell me, do you think I'm being sentimental? 'Cause all this time I've been trying to work out what. So for lashes, first I'm gonna curl them with the Shiseido lash curler, which is one of my favorite tools. Baby, I'm not gonna help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time from you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right, you think I'm wrong. And now moving on to mascara. This is my favorite mascara by far. It's the DHC Volume FX that I got in Tokyo. They don't sell anywhere else, so if you happen to be in Japan, I would definitely recommend you to get it. For me, this product helps my lashes stay curled all day, and it's extremely waterproof. And moving on to highlighters.
I really like the Fenty one because it gives me that extra option to have a bolder look if I want to go at night. And so for highlighter, I usually swipe it as a sideways V under my brow bone and above my cheekbones. And I also like to swipe it on the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, and also my chin.
Wish I could feel it now. Baby, I'm not the one to help you make decisions, 'cause I need some time from you to know if this is best for us. If I don't think it's right, you'll think I'm wrong.
And the last step is lips. This Bare Minerals lipstick is actually my daily go-to lipstick, and it's because it has that perfect peachy combined with nude, and it's a perfect shade for my lips. So this is the final look for my very simple travel makeup look. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!